Hey, good morning. It's John with GreenKey. I've got my brother Chase here.
What's going on, everybody?
And we've been on this job now for a couple hours. Forgot to break the camera out. So I wanted to show you what we've got, and then we will show you what it looks like when we're done. So we've got a Ford Pro charger. There we go. You've seen a couple of these by now probably. We install them pretty frequently. We're going to be installing it right here in between the screen porch and the garage door. And you can see our conduit. We've got a long exterior conduit run right here. It's 3/4 inch EMT with raintight fittings so that it can handle the weather. And it just keeps on going. Total distance is about 115, 120 feet end to end. Keeps on going around the other side. This particular house has a panel that's on the far side away from where they want the charger. So here is the end of our conduit. You can see the box right there by that meter. That's where we're going to be going into the house. And then after we're done, we'll show you what it looks like. See y'all soon.
What's up, everybody? This is Chase with GreenKey. I know John's already walked through a little bit of this with you guys to show you all the conduit run. I'm going to show you right here. This is where we're going to be putting the charger. I'm going to set the tripod up on this GoPro and get you guys some footage of how this part of the install goes. Alright, so we're going to be breaking this down. There's just a couple things we got to do to get this mounted to the wall. Covers are going to just pop right off the front. And you're just gonna have 3 screws here we gotta remove. T25. This is gonna pop right off. This is what the inside looks like. This is going to mount straight to the mounting bracket that you just saw me hang, and we've just got 4 connection points, 4 screws in these spots right here in these slots, and we'll be good to go. Alright, so that's about it on my end. Got everything installed here, wired up. The last thing I've got to do is just put a label on there that just shows the breaker size, the circuit size for the charger. That's just for inspection purposes, but we're all done on this end. Take you back down through here to kind of just show you again. So probably about 120-foot conduit run. It's gonna come all the way around the house, underneath of the deck. And you can see here just to work around some of the obstacles here with the meter. We got some different stuff on the wall here. Transition back over to liquid tight, and right there at that junction box to the left of the meter, this is where we go through the wall, and then on the back side everything's going to tie into the panel.